Model, 2017 plate Vauxhall Combo 2000 Sportive 1.3 Cdti Euro 6 VAT inclusive Ulez compliant. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 57,651. MOT, the 30th of January 2026. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 Cdti 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, start and runs perfectly, but runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward, simple turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con,